Oh, everything's so small on this phone again. I can't see a thing.
Why not use this one?
Of course. Thanks, Dirk.
Oh, you're welcome back. Now, let's take a look at the large screens. The 24/7 capable displays are suitable for video and still images. The displays are available in sizes from 46 to 48 and up to 55 inches. The display bezels are always extremely narrow, so that even in a big picture setup, meaning one image across several displays, we always achieve a clean, seamless image. There are 3 different mounting methods for installing the displays on the wall. The first version is our display suit, which is what we have here. The displays are screwed onto a wooden substructure on a wall. The great thing is, if you need to access the displays for servicing, you can simply pull them forward with a push, and I can get to the cabling at the back very easily, without disturbing the alignment of the joints. The second version, add display cover. The displays are permanently installed in a wall, which can be accessed from behind. And here you see version number 3, our display rack. With this, you can place your displays anywhere in the room.